with Outdoor Fanatics, and today we're going to be doing another duck hunting video. Just to clarify, this was recorded about 2 or 3 weeks back, and I just wanted to let you know, during Youth and Veterans Day, veterans were allowed to hunt, and kids under 16 with valid hunting license. So yeah, guys, we shot a lot of birds. You're just going to have to see how we did. Special shout out to Quacker Smackers Outdoor. That's my cousin. He took me. Just shout out to him. Please go check him out if you're ever trying to either bow fish in Maryland or duck hunt Chesapeake Bay. Please go check him out. And let's get on to the video.
Bring your group on the left. Wait, guys, wait. Wait, kill him! Come on! Oh my God. You got that one. Yeah. She didn't come? She ain't got her license. Hey, left on the left. Wait. Kill him!
Somebody get a cord.
Brian, clean it up.
They'll swing. Not yet, they'll swing.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had so much fun filming it, and thank you to my dad for filming the other parts of the shooting videos. I hope you like that photo montage. This will wrap up the end of the video. Just wanted to say, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. That will be greatly appreciated. And I will see you all next time. Bye!